Welcome back, guys. So right now, I want to do something new. Like Gemini, with this subscription, Gemini is embedded into Google Workspace tools. What are Google Workspace tools? So when you come to your Gmail, let's check Google Workspace tool. So this is the pro account, as you can see from here. So let me test a free account as well. So I'm going to use a free account as well. So let me come to a free account right here. So let me use a free account as an example. Then I use a pro account as an example so we can compare them. So let me use this free account. So here is a free account. Let me come to Gmail here so we can compare and contrast like I was saying. So we're going to come right here and let's see things ourselves. So this is Gmail. This is a Gmail account, but this Gmail account now is a free account, is a free Google account. You will be able to see displays are empty. So when you come to this, when you come to the pro account, you'll see Gemini in your Gmail. Unlike this free account where there is no Gemini, there's nothing like that. So Gemini in your Gmail is meant to assist you. So when you check your Gemini in your Gmail, you could ask it anything. So just view this as your email management assistant. Yes, this is what a typical VA would do for you, but you can actually use Gemini to achieve that now. So you being a VA, you could use this to improve your workflow and your job. So you could ask Gemini anything you want to ask Gemini on Gmail. So here we are, and this is what you can see. You can see what can Gemini do in Gmail. So you could check that out. What can Gemini do in Gmail? And it's going to analyze it for you. What Gemini can do in Gmail. So you could see it could summarize. As you can see from here, the first thing it says is that it could summarize image threads for you. It could draft emails and suggesting replies, of course. It could find information for you. It could manage your calendar. It could ask questions from the web. Yes. And it could create images. Yes. It could do inbox cleanup for you, and it could create a fast appointment scheduling for you. So we're going to see how to do all this, of course. So when you click on insert, it inserts it into a new message. So you could actually create a message and insert or you copy, but then we're going to see how to use it the right way in the next lesson. But this is just a brief intro. The same way you have Gemini here, you have it on all Google Workspace too, your Drive, your Gmail, because of the pro account. If you don't have a pro account, you don't need this, you can't use this. So you don't need to go through this. But if you have a pro account, then here you are. And like I said, I've introduced you to where you could get a pro account. So you could come to store.beladcreative.com. You will be able to get a pro account on this store, a pro Google Gemini or Google accounts in general. So you could come to creative tools, and here in creative tools, you'll see a lot of tools you could get, including Google AI Pro. Is limited, of course. By the time you come, hopefully we still have or not, but you can get the Google AI Pro plan here if you are a Nigerian, and if you are from other countries, you could easily subscribe to it on Google websites itself. So you could come to Google and just look for Google One. This is subscription on Google. So look for Google One right here. So Google One right here is what you're going to look for. Then you could sign up for any of this plan. So you could sign up for the basic plan, you could sign up for the premium plan. Google AI Pro is the plan we have on this store. So this is Google AI Pro. This is the plan we have on this store at this discounted rate. They were gotten from Google actually. It's not an hack or anything. It was gotten from Google. It's just a way to give to learners to get to use it for themselves. So here we have this. So you could actually subscribe directly from Google as well. But this is just a discounted offer and is limited. So let's wait for and see people that will grab the offer quickly. So here we have this. So we can take this out. So back to this, like I said, with this pro version, you have Gemini in all your Google Workspace too, your Drive, your Gmail, your Meet, and your Sheet, your Docs. So we're going to see how to use them actually. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.